Also, behind the panel, you will see a plastic white clip right there. You have to pry it out by pulling it towards the front of the vehicle. After you remove this fella here, that's attached right there. All you want to do is just this wire here, the red one, whichever color you will have. Just start unplugging your harness. This one here, where the handle is, I just left it alone without touching it. And all I'm doing, I'm just, hard to see, hold on. I'm just removing the wire itself from those little attachments, so that way I can pull this fella here, because it's only 3 bolts, and I just slide it out. Just like that. The next step, or the step after, this fella here. You see it's moving? I just want to remove it from there. Just put your flat screwdriver just like that. There we go. There. Basically remove that fella there. At the same time, you might as well just want to remove these 3 bolts. Remove the lock from the outside, absolutely. And basically it's just like a beauty cover. Open your handle and start trying to wiggle it and move that beauty cover like that, the little cover. After that, just grab like a screwdriver or something like that. Just don't scratch the paint, of course, of the car, and start prying it this way. And also, don't forget to unscrew this fella here, that little bolt. That's it. It's out. Put a new one in. Disconnect all this plastic, the white and the blue, and put the blue and the white plastic back on the new harness. When you start putting that stuff together, make sure you put the beauty cover at the same time and push the whole lock inside and tighten that bolt. Slide the glass back in there. You can screw it up because there's 2 holes right there and they need to line up. Once they line up, screw them in. Make sure that your glass is good and there's no obstacles at all. And just put, like I did, panel back together. That's it.